Let's visualize how a TCP sliding window changes when receiving a new acknowledgement and window size advertisement. Let's first look at the initial state of our TCP window. We start with a window size of 10,000 bytes, and the last acknowledgement number was 22,001. Now, we receive a new segment with an acknowledgement number of 24,001. This means all data up to this point has been successfully received, so our window slides forward by 2,000 bytes. Along with this acknowledgement, we also receive a new window size advertisement of 12,000 bytes. This means our window needs to expand by 2,000 bytes. Let's compare the before and after states. We can see that our window has both moved forward and grown larger. The window now extends from sequence number 24,001 to 36,001, covering 12,000 bytes. This demonstrates how TCP's flow control mechanism dynamically adjusts both the position and size of the sliding window based on acknowledgements and window advertisements from the receiver.